right before COVID hit. The fam and I went to England, and this is how it turned out. Hey Mom.
You're not good yet.
You excited for the trip?
Yes. Yeah, after the whole flight.
Yeah, how's your thoughts of the flight? 11 hours in an aircraft.
I'm gonna shoot it up.
It's scary.
You're gonna what?
And the NSA can't do anything when they know you're sarcastic 24/7. Okay, so we're here at Rodrigo's. Yeah, it used to be called
Don Jose's.
Don Jose's.
This was before you were born. I started coming here when I was 15.
But yeah, we've been going here because I was raised in California and then we moved to Utah. But yeah, we were coming here ever since I was like a baby, basically.
Yeah, I've been here since I was 15.
Since you were 15,
yeah,
dang.
I was 15.
That's like freaking 100 years.
Anyways, it's called Don Jose's. The parents retired like 2 years ago. The son took it over and renamed it Rodrigo's.
Yeah, so they renamed it and everything.
Same everything.
Yep. So, dang good Mexican food. But after the food, we're gonna be driving to our hotel room, get some shut-eye, and then wake up early, bright and early, to go to our flight. So, let's go. Well, long plane rides are gonna be fun. But you know what's more fun? We just checked out, or we're about to check out right now, and we're about to go to the parking garage where we're going to store our car. Oh, I'm still recording.
You suck. 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 You suck.
You're awesome.
Yeah, Keelan's awesome.
You're amazing.
I have to watch that.
You suck.
You suck.
Trying to get out of here right now.
Dude, I swear.
Photos? Wait, we're gonna take photos of what? Oh, the airport? Oh, you can zoom in. That's right. You have like the.
Falling down too.
LAX.
Heck yeah, dude.
What?
Out of my way, peasant. Oh, that's high up.
Hey.
It's been nice knowing you. I'm gonna take off my shoes.
Get photos of this.
Dad, it's running away. Ah, ah. Oh, I'm using magic, Mom. Look. Yeah, this is like a mall. This is straight up a mall. Oh my gosh. Dad's still taking forever to put away his camera because he had to pull it out. I have a very shiny jacket you'll see later in the vlog that came out as a metal blob. It's super reflective, so it came out as a metal blob, and he's like, we're gonna look at like this substance in your bag. I'm like, what substance? I only have clothes in there. And then he immediately saw it and he was like, yes, that. So I just asked him like, yeah, should I like hold that out next time? And he's like, yeah, you should probably do that. I'm like, okay, cool.
Okay,
I didn't expect like X-ray and stuff to like notice reflectivity.
Yeah, it's reflective.
Well, I figured it's just light. I don't know.
You notice right there is my abs are steel.
Abs of steel.
Yeah, we're going to 826.
820. We don't necessarily need to go right now. We have like we have literally 3 hours.
Babe, I need to see if they have a luggage box there so I can make sure that they're not going to emergency make us check our luggage. I'd rather go check our luggage now and make sure it gets on the plane than do emergency check.
Wait, wait, what?
826, it's in the back
826.
corner.
This is like in the corner, right underneath sea legs.
Yeah,
Literally hidden. That's great. Look at those fancy stairs. Our plane's finally here. That's a big boy. Are you excited, Gavin?
No, not.
Do you think the food's gonna taste good for dinner?
No, I think it's gonna be like a ham sandwich.
A ham sandwich? Dude, I would freaking riot if it's a ham sandwich. Thank you. Yep, towards the back. Go. I'm so sorry. Excuse us. Mom and Dad should be to the left right here or further back. Okay, they're not here, so they're further back. Oh no, I see him. Excuse us, sorry. Hey, Dad. They're over there. We're further. Go. Okay, look for 60. Okay, Gavin, you ready? Let's show.
Wait, I'm almost ready. Alright. Now, go.
So the window
I don't need your freaking.
changes.
That's pretty sick. It's getting darker and darker.
Yeah. So there's no need for a shade or anything. It just does it. It's so freaking cool. Should get a little darker than that, but it's so cool. So cool. Okay, back up. Right over Las Vegas. Look how it's creating clouds right there. Okay, let's look at this, shall we? There it is. Looks good. We got burnt caramel chocolate pot. So there's our dessert. Got some crackers, some butter, basil, and then a honey wheat round roll multi-grain 12 ounce. Yeah, you know, it doesn't look bad. Water. I'm gonna dig in. See how it tastes. This is the bathroom. Pretty small. I am so tired. Got like no sleep. Got like an hour of sleep max. Maybe only like 45 minutes, honestly. So we got our breakfast. So we got a croissant melt. It's very warm. And it looks damn good, so I'm about to eat that while it's warm. Then we got blueberry pomegranate cookie. And then Greek yogurt. Blueberry. Should be good. It's got like a cheese filling. Very good. Yeah. What a view though. I mean, it's pure clouds. I'm kind of hoping when we get actually over England or London, we'll see a little bit more, but it's probably just all going to be clouds, which will be cool because we'll descend through the clouds. So that'll be cool. We're that close. So cool. I love how planes make everything look like little toy sets. 300 feet. 200. 100. And there's touch. We're officially in England. He's tired, we're all tired. We didn't get any sleep. My butt kind of hurt the whole time, so it was kind of hard to get sleep. I wonder how mom and dad did, because they supposedly spent a lot more money for more comfortable seats / leg room. So we'll see how they experienced their sleep. They probably actually got some sleep. My dad probably not, he never sleeps, but my sister definitely slept, and my mom maybe. It is so loud in these. I've never been in an underground tunnel. It is so loud. Did you just dab? Tisk tisk. Oh no, she did it again. Finally getting out of the subway. We're gonna see England for the first time. This is England. Huh. Oh yeah. I don't know what I was expecting. But it's definitely a different country. Oh, it's so weird, like with the road signal. Like, why are they all bent? Oh, there he is. The saggy boy. Oh, there's a McDonald's nearby. We can get fat, Dad.
Yeah.
Let's do it. That's the easiest dinner there is. You know what sucks about this image? That is literally at the base and or entrance of our hotel room. I may or may not have gone to McDonald's way too much on this trip. Thank you, McDonald's, for being literally at the base of our hotel. It's my fault, but it's just so good. I guess they count that as a second bed. Is that comfy? So this, we got like a straight up desk. They have a freaking cabin. You're gonna appreciate this. What the hell? So that's how you keep the light on. Oh my god. This window can't be open. This is like the thickest window. I mean, it has like a window and then a window. And a window. So yeah, then we got a freaking full bathroom, Gavin. Straight up full bathroom. How do you turn on light in here? Yeah, I think you need to keep the card in that.
No shit. You do.
Yeah, interesting. So yeah, it's just like make sure you don't waste energy. Bruh. You gotta, okay, I was saying full bathtub and then I noticed how skinny this boy is. I'm just excited to lay down. And that's why Gavin's laying down as well. Oh, oh yeah. Oh. This isn't a bad hotel. It's pretty good. Looks like he went to the bathroom. I could turn the light off on him.